around, and then they keep each other company when you're at work.
De abandono. Gente.
Estamos como visitantes en estos momentos del noroeste entre 7 y 12 millas por hora. En general,
Which cat is that?
That's Puppy.
Puppy.
This is Wednesday, 1 a.m. Thursday, excuse me, I'm trying to do my job.
And we will talk to you next week.
Животное домой.
It's not open to...
3 Minneapolis beaches. Why?
Us in the studio for about 50.
Sprinkles possible late 56. Hey, look at that. My cat Charlie just
That we've been seeing out there here across St. Pete. Hello, Ninja.
I don't have drums, but I've got a cat.
As you are watching with, oh, hi, there's your cat.
My research assistant.
Bow, bow. Bro, get out my... Bro, he's on my desk, bro. Like, his ass keep getting on my desk.